how to create OnlyFans account. So if you want to create OnlyFans account, then what you can do is just open up your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And after that, go with search, which is on the top. And then you can simply search for OnlyFans. Once you've searched here, you will have the option. So you just need to simply go with onlyfans.com and it will take you to the website. So you just need to simply go with login if you already have the information. But if you want to create OnlyFans account, then you just need to simply scroll down and we'll have sign up for OnlyFans, which is right here. So tap on it and it will take you to the create kind of interface. So just simply enter your name, your email address, and your password. So give it a name and then go with email and enter your password or create your password. Make sure to create a strong password. Once you've created your password, go with sign up. Once you go with sign up, then it will ask you to verify. You will receive a code on your email address that you've just entered. And once you enter the code, then your account will be created. So that's how you can create your OnlyFans account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.